What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got this full lace install by myself at home. I'm not a professional, I'm not a hairdresser, but I'm going to show you how I did it. Let's get to it. I'm getting my wig prepared and I am going to start plucking it. So when I pluck, I like to have the hairline wet because you can kind of see a little bit more. And I got the tip from Arrogant Tay to do it on the leg, but for some odd reason I just couldn't do it, so I was like, let me just put it on the wig head. I usually do it on the wig head, but I tried to do it on the leg. It just didn't work this time. So I'm like, all right, let me just do my normal thing and put it on the wig head, and I did that. It just feels much better to me and just much more comfortable, and I feel like I can see the structure of the hairline much more. You know, I want to keep that same structure because that's how it will look natural. So now I'm going to be taking my EAP heat blow dryer and I'm going to be using this on a high setting, and I'm going to be blow drying the inside just to make sure I reinforce that lace tint. I love this blow dryer so much. All the products and tools that I'm going to be using is going to be listed down below, by the way, you guys. So don't forget to check the description box because I'm going to be using a whole bunch of other stuff moving forward. So now that I tinted the lace, plucked the lace, and did everything, I am going to put it on my head to see how it looks. So next, I'm going to be taking my EAP Heat hot comb, and I'm going to be using this to really flatten out those hairs that I'm going to be using as baby hairs. So the meaning for this is because when you're doing your baby hairs, you want them to sit a certain way. If they're not sitting that way, they're just going to continuously flip back. So I'm going to be using the Kendra's Boutique wax stick, and this is going to help me lay down those baby hairs with that EAP hot comb. As you can see, it's starting to really lay down super sleek. I really like that. So this razor is really my best friend. I use it for literally everything when I do my hair. So I'm going to be using it to shape that baby hair, I guess you can say. Shape it, cut it, whatever. And then next, I'm going to be shaping my baby hairs. So as you can see, my baby hairs are curled. My camera accidentally didn't record that part, but I did use an EAP Heat flat iron, and I used the skinny one. So I'm going to be using the Nairobi Set-In Mousse, and this is going to be helping me lay my baby hairs. And I'm going to be using a edge control brush or comb, the two-sided brush comb duo, and I'm really just going to be playing with my baby hairs. Honestly, you guys, this takes me about 2 hours. Not 2 hours, okay, I dragged it. Maybe about an hour. And I honestly go back and forth between each side of my baby hairs, and I just play with it for an hour just so I could get it right. I was really looking forward to having that curly effect, so that's why I keep twisting it and turning it, and just making sure I'm shaping it to really what I want. It's really all about manipulating the hair and just making it do what you want it to do. You have to really make sure that you are controlling the hair and the hair is not controlling you. Honestly, that's really what it's all about. But as you can see, I did my baby hairs on both sides, and I super duper love it. So now I'm going to take the EAP Heat Protectant Spray, and this has a built-in shine in it. It's so good, and it's a weightless oil, and I absolutely love it, and it just smells so good. I've been using this for about a month now, and honestly, it's just really amazing. I'm taking that hot comb that I was using again, and I'm going to wear my hair back because it's the holidays and I just want that baby doll look. It's not time for mullets anymore and shags. I just want to be really simple this holiday. So I'm also going to be using that Kendra's Boutique wax stick, and I'm going to be using that to really make sure that my hairline is super laid, and I'm going to be laying it down with the hot comb. So as you can see, it just creates that shine. It just makes it super flat, and honestly, this looks like my hair. There's nothing you can tell me. This is my hair. Okay, so far this is what it's looking like, what it's giving you guys. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about it so far. And so I'm going to be curling this hair. Like I said, I just want that soft, pretty baby doll look. So I'm going to be using my EAP Heats Hot Curler. And I'm just going to be curling my hair. It's really no technique to what I'm doing. Honestly, I'm curling the curls any type of way. I don't have any layers in this hair. So I'm honestly just curling the ends. I'm not curling it all the way up because I'm planning on wearing a headband later. So I've been using the EAP Heats Hot Tools for a while now. If you guys watch some of my old videos, you guys will see them show up in a lot of my videos. So this is what my hair was looking like that night. I absolutely love it. And with me all dressed up, this is what it's looking like. Let me know what you guys think. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. I super duper love